What's poppin'? You did it! 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 I don't know how to start this. Oh my god. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Lorcutt. So today we are going to be going over why Adobe Premiere is the best software. I'm saying this from a video editor standpoint. I'm pretty sure a lot of other YouTubers have different preferences, but this personally is my opinion. How I'm trying to broadcast it to other video editors starting up as well. I know that there's a lot of new content creators out there that want to start video editing, but they don't know which software to use, so I want to help, you know? It's just what I do. With that being said, let's get on with the video.
You did it, you did it, you did it!
You got a computer, you have a passion, and now it's time to pursue it. So it's never been a better time to get into video editing, especially with content creation being at an all-time high right now, and technology being as advanced as it is, and it's only gonna get more advanced from here. All you need is a little bit of time, imagination, and creativity to begin putting together your movie or your film or that video. But with what software? Everyone wants that software that's easy to maneuver through and that's going to work with you and it's going to be super flexible. And I know from lots of Google research that there are a lot of options that you can pick from, and you're having some trouble figuring out which one is going to be the best for you, which one best fits your style. So this is where I come in and say, save your time and download Adobe Premiere Pro. No, this is not sponsored at all. It's just from my personal experience. Adobe Premiere Pro has amazing features such as a flexible interface, stabilization, color correction, it's easily transferable, your panels are easily movable, it's accessible on any brand, and so much more, and you'll continue to find more features while you're using the software. Just from me naming those features, that kind of lets you know where Adobe Premiere stands. The software was also well worthy of an Editor's Choice Award, so if those couple of things that I just mentioned doesn't sell you on this software, let me tell you a little bit more. These are a few more reasons why Adobe Premiere Pro is one of the best editing softwares. It is easily accessible. Adobe Premiere Pro can be downloaded on almost any computer, PC, Mac, Windows, you name it. And an even better part is that you can transfer the software to also any computer as well. There's actually a team feature where any Premiere user can sync their settings to the Creative Cloud and allow them to use that software from different computers, all while using the same project. This means that you can go to any computer and work on your project, which is absolutely insane because usually that's not the case. So let's say, for instance, your computer crashes one day, you get a new LCD monitor. It's not a hassle to activate, deactivate, transfer the software, or download that software. Number 2, learning. Adobe Premiere Pro has made learning so easy, especially when you first launch the program. You also have the option of starting a free trial, and there's also a learn mode. In your first use of Premiere Pro, software launches something called the learn feature. The learn feature offers about 3 interactive tutorials to quickly teach you how to use their software. This is highly recommended if you don't want to be confused the first time that you edit a video and also trying to locate everything. This is also going to save you time from taking classes or trying to understand this software. So Adobe Premiere Pro got you. It has your back.
And I love that.
Number 3, they take the traditional approach. So it has your everyday needs for video editing, your basic trimming, your audio, your titling, all of that awesome stuff. But it also has other amazing features that you can implement into your videos. You have the option of importing any preset from an external source. So if Adobe Premiere Pro does not have one that you like, you can always go to a different website, download one, and import it into the software. This also goes for different text and transitions as well. You can also create the interface in the way that you would like. It's super flexible. Traditionally, there are 4 panels. So we have the bottom left, which are the project assets where all your footage and audio is imported, adjustment layers are added, folders are organized, effects are added, etc. The top left is your source preview where footage audio is previewed, your audio mixer, effect controls, Lumetri, color scopes, and a different way that you can trim footage as well. Bottom right, which is your timeline tracks, your editing inputs, and exactly what you make it. Your top right is your project preview. So it's gonna be a preview of what your product looks like. And you can change these windows to your preference, but this is usually the easier way to do things. You can also save any type of workspace. So if you're feeling that workspace that day, you click the different workspace in the top menu bar. I know a lot of people like to adjust, you know? Okay, let me just move this a little bit and then what I do. I don't even know what number this is. Improvements! Adobe continues to make incremental improvements every single year. They listen to your feedback. When an improvement is made, it's not a whole 360. It's just little details that matter. And it makes the editing process a little bit smoother. And Adobe Premiere Pro doesn't only make improvements to that one software. They actually have something called the Creative Cloud, which is something that Adobe Premiere bases off of, and they make improvements to almost all of their softwares every single year. So just this year, they made 28 improvements. So for example, some of the improvements that they made was having multiple strokes when it comes to text or shape layers. There's an auto sync of free Adobe fonts, audio support, adding a name to autosave files. So you get the point. It's not like a whole 360 change to your editing style. It's just something that will make your editing process a little bit easier. Okay. Flexibility. This is an important one because you want something that's gonna have a wide variety of skills that you can do. So Adobe Premiere Pro is good for people just starting out or people that are professionals. So it can range from people just doing basic cuts to vlogs to documentaries. So like I said before, the interface is also very flexible. It's super adjustable. And the functionality of the audio, assembly, editing, effects, and titles windows can be moved or switched around in a custom workspace of your choosing. The starter view also helps you quickly get back to the previous project that you are working on, or that you can create a new project. Last thing I have is output and performance. So regarding performance, I'm pretty sure everyone has had that moment where a computer freezes on you and just randomly crashes when you're in an editing software. And it's the worst feeling ever. It's like you put so much work into that one project and then it's just gone to waste. Wasted your time, wasted your precious skill. Luckily, Adobe Premiere Pro has an autosave option. If you set that up, it can be preset to every project for however amount of time that you would like. You can set it to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you get the point. Setting your projects to autosave every minute is going to save your butt, and I know it's going to probably take up a lot of space on your computer, but that's why I have
An external hard drive.
Yeah, once you're done your video, it has the most exporting format you're choosing or your client's choosing. So we got Vimeo, we got Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. So if you made it this far and you're still confused on what software that you should buy, just try the free trial and try it for yourself. All in all, Adobe Premiere Pro is a great format, it's a great style that I would strongly recommend. So I hope that this video convinced you to make the plunge and make the investment in order to make your video super awesome. Make it yours. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. And comment down below what software you recommend. And I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye!